Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Dell G15 gaming laptop. Its model number is Dell G15 5511. Box included a high quality 3-pin power cable, same as PC power cable. In this model comes a 240 watts powerful adapter. The Dell G series is the successor to the Dell Inspiron gaming series. This series is positioned below Alienware and competes with Lenovo Legion, Acer Nitro, HP's Omen and Pavilion powerful laptops. G15 5511 comes with Intel 11th generation processor. The G15 11th generation standard edition features NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 card which powered by the NVIDIA Ambereye architecture. NVIDIA's second generation RTX architecture with new RT cores, Tensor cores and streaming multiprocessor for realistic ray traced graphics and cutting-edge AI features, plus with up to 6 GB DDR6 of dedicated memory, you can experience the action in all its glory with faster loading times and quieter system. Its power button coming on its keyboard. Let us check about the product in its official website. G15 gaming laptops coming in lots of specification. If we click on graphic card number, it will highlight the default configuration from factory. Here we selected 3060 6GB graphics card and processor number is i7-11800H, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB M.2 PCI Express NVMe solid state hard drive. If we scroll down, we can see the advantages of the product. Differed from all other model, the Alienware inspired thermal design incorporate a dual air intake from top of the keyboard and the bottom of the G15 11th gen. This air is then expelled through the 4 vents located on the sides and the rear. Maximize airflow over the copper pipes for optimal cooling and heat dissipation. Know more about this product, you can visit their official website. Link I have been given in description of this video. Rapid refresh rates and FHD resolution ensure fast, smooth and detailed gaming. Play on the standard 120Hz display panel with 250 nit brightness, or optional for the 165 display panel with 300 nit brightness. sRGB 100% color gamut and 3 microsecond response time. These are the holes to suck air from downside. Its speakers are coming on both sides. Its left side comes a RJ45 headphone mic jack. Ports will differ from RTX 3050 and RTX 3050 Ti from RTX 3060. In RTX 3050 and 3050 Ti comes a high-speed USB 2.0 port and high-speed USB 2.0 with power share, V3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with DisplayPort with ALT mode, but model with RTX 3060, USB 3.2 Gen 1, USB 3.2 Gen 1 with power share and Thunderbolt 3 or USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port with DisplayPort with ALT mode and a super speed USB 3.20 and one HDMI port and a power in socket. No, we are removing its back cover. No, what upgrades are possible? Pretty large cooling fans are used here. The air is expelled through both sides. Two RAM slots are coming here. This device will support up to 64 GB of RAM. Upgrade is RAM, you have to remove the factory one and have to insert 3200 MHz RAM. You can add an additional NVMe hard drive, but M.2 hard drive mounting support bracket PXNWV are not included inside the device. RTX 3060 comes here 86 Wh battery. Unfortunately, I didn't got a chance to open its back cover. Here I opened a laptop with 3050 graphics card. Its battery capacity is 56 Wh. Now I am already finished the program installation. Let us check how fast the computer is. Look at its screen resolution is Full HD. Look at here, its screen refresh rate. Yes, it is 165 Hz. Let's check the properties of the computer. Its processor number is 11800H. Let's check its properties. Wow, its smart cache is 24 MB. It is a 8-core processor and it have total 16 threads. Its processor speed is from 2.3 GHz up to 4.6 GHz. Its bus speed is 8 GT per second, and this processor will support up to 128 GB of RAM. We should call this processor a revolutionary in modern computer history, because this processor is coming with 8 core and 24 megabit of smart cache. We partitioned the NVMe hard drive into two. Look at the backlight of this keyboard. Look at how the high-end graphics programs are opening. I do expect this video is going to be a helpful one for you. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.